Our newest listing in Argyle is located at 905 Plaza Lane. It attends Argyle ISD and is located in the premier master plan community of Harvest. Let's take a look inside. With almost 2,200 square feet, this 3-bedroom, 3-bath, and 2-car garage home offers plenty of living space. All bedrooms are located on the second floor, and check out this beautiful kitchen island. This home provides its owners with a magnificent lifestyle in this neighborhood. We hope you'll schedule your private tour and contact the Birdsong Group today.